Traffic is so unproductive. We're in a traffic for almost 30 odd minutes. Did have special plans for today, but that'll probably have to cancel because there's nothing but traffic, standstill traffic, over half an hour. For what reason? Jesus, what a dirty stinking cars. I said them bus awful. It's traffic. And the people no want to drive, it's traffic. Oh sir, my turn soon come up. Orain, take that phone here. I'll say something to people there.
Yes guys, welcome to this week's vlog. In today's vlog, Shadeka and I are hopefully we'll be going to Devon House, but yeah, we're stuck in a traffic, so we are going gas station, supermarket, mall, maybe Devon House if it's not closed, and probably a one restaurant we get something. Hopefully, because the traffic rough. So yeah guys, stay with us. Let's see what can come out of this video. We still gotta upload it, we still gotta show something, so stay tuned. Here is Shadeka driving. Yeah, we come off of the traffic filled road, you know. Alright guys, so we are approaching the gas station. We almost reach it now.
So why the carrier come right here, so?
Yeah, they might try overtake Shadeka and she accosted him. I show no walk. Yeah, the carrier drive up but they will cross him. Alright guys, so this is our church. This is plumbing and solution. I think 2 years ago it built. And there is the gas station. One of the cheapest gas stations in Portmore. And it's not really full, but a good amount of car there. Yep, Blaze gas station. Shadeka, I haven't said nice people here look stressed. What going on?
I'm not much stress. I drive on Jamaican road. For me, that much.
Yeah.
I'm a part-time.
I want to think how people them gas station are saying.
Where am then I make it? What the body not pump right here, sir?
Alright, we are going to start vlog again. We'll get some gas. Alright guys, as you saw, we just leave the gas station. Yeah.
And I'll be across the step on the road.
And Shadeka say I'll be across the step on the road. Yeah, so we're going to the mall now. Whatever we're doing, you will see that. So yeah, catch you guys back at the mall. Yes people, and we reach the mall now. Somebody are going to that space. Yeah, so we reach the mall now. As you can hear, people are up on live because they want Shadeka in the car now. No, what's that? Something wrong with them.
But you know, that's a little cheaper. I don't never smell it cheaper. I don't know if they have calculators. But say you can buy the book and I'll go in and buy the calculator. Where there's none. Oh wow. I guess school is back in session. Nothing.
The book and station.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go there as they would all be right here.
So we got the books and the calculator and the graph paper from the book and stationery store. So in the supermarket now, as you can see.
Okay, I make it to Devon House. It is 3 let me see if I can find the time. It is 3:34. Country shut down 6 o'clock, so we estimated that the usual business will close about 2 to 1 hour before the time, so we are hoping for the best.
Shadeka. What are you doing? What?
I said my ice cream dance.
Ice cream done? Okay.
You know what flavor you want?
No, not really.